Stress Management by Mary Jane Connell, RN, Nurse MJ, Weber State University Bachelor's of Science Nursing student. I am going to present information on basic coping skills of how to deal with stress. There will be more information on other videos about dealing with stress, especially during this pandemic. Other topics that will be presented is helping you learn about family relationships during the pandemic, diabetes, high blood pressure, healthy eating, and others. This pandemic stress has been very stressful for a lot of people. The COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in job loss, poor health, emotional insecurity, change in normalcy, and interruption of life patterns. These things have caused a lot of stress for a lot of people. So how are you going to be able to cope? Because stress can lead to some very serious issues. How are you currently coping? Are you coping with unhealthy means, smoking, poor eating habits, such as overeating or eating lots of sugar or soda or lots of carbohydrates that will make you sick? Alcohol, drugs, oversleeping. Those are normal things that people do tend to do when they are trying to cope. However, there are healthy options instead: mindfulness, meditation, exercise, leisure time, and journaling. These are all different ways that you can cope. How is the stress affecting you? Physically, it can cause diabetes, high blood pressure, stroke, heart attack, fatigue, or nausea. Emotional issues can be feeling sad, overreacting to simple things, feeling hopeless, unable to cope, and feeling very angry. This is your body's reaction to dealing with the constant chronic stress. It's your body that tries to help you, but it's not helping anymore when it starts to be behaving in poor ways and making problems for your body. But it is a natural reaction. It's called fight or flight. It's the way your body is a survival mechanism. For example, if you're crossing the street and a car begins to swerve toward you, your body will put a hormone called epinephrine into your bloodstream. It'll give you extra energy and get out of the way. However, if you're having chronic stress, this is a bad thing and can cause these symptoms. So here are some ways to cope. And mindfulness, meditation, laughter, being spontaneous, writing, journaling. That's a really good one. Getting enough sleep if you can. Ways to cope, other issues that you can, is healthy eating by eliminating sugar in your diet, a very simple thing. Exercising physically, making sure that you have leisure time, even if it's only 15 minutes a day. Make sure you're pacing yourself so you're not overdoing it. Mostly, just be kind to yourself because you are important. So, for conclusion, your psychological and your physical health and your stability. Keep laughter in your life, be spontaneous, keep away from negative influences, which may include not paying attention to the news, practicing mindfulness meditations, journaling, exercising, acknowledging that it's okay to feel that way, and be mindful in meditation, and supporting each other and giving yourself credit for what you are doing. We can do this together. There are references for specific resource helps, and you can submit any questions or comments to nursemjhelp@google.com. I appreciate your time today, and I hope that you are staying healthy. Thanks. Have a great day.